Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Fontenelle is a small and charming community located on the beautiful Gaspé Peninsula. Fontenelle is a peaceful place that's surrounded by nature, offering stunning views of the hills, forests, and the nearby coastline of the St. Lawrence River. The area is perfect for those who love the outdoors, with plenty of opportunities for hiking, exploring, and enjoying the quiet beauty of Quebec's countryside. While there's not a lot of historical documentation about Fontenelle, it shares the rich heritage of the Gaspé region, known for its early French settlers and deep connection to nature. Life here is simple and laid back, with a focus on enjoying the natural surroundings and the small-town atmosphere. It's a great place to escape the hustle and bustle, take a peaceful walk, or just relax and enjoy the beautiful landscapes.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!